This is Shelley Kraft coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at the Maryland Pavilion at BioInternational 2017 here in San Diego. I have with me a very special guest, Rebecca Brody, the BioGenius Challenge Maryland champion, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to SNNLive.
Thank you, Shelley.
It's good to have you on. So what's this all about? What'd you have to, tell me about the competition?
So this is an international competition run by the Biotechnology Institute, which just brings together high school students who have done biotechnology research and lets them share their findings at this international convention.
So let's talk about what your findings were and what you were researching and what enabled you to win this competition.
So I was doing my research on blood vessels and specifically growing blood vessels in the lab. And I was exploring whether we would be able to use stem cell derived cells. So stem cells are just a flexible cell type that you can transform into other cell types. And so I was exploring using stem cell derived cells and growing these blood vessels, which ultimately could be a treatment for cardiovascular disease, because if you're able to grow blood vessels up in the lab, you can actually transplant them into patients. And using stem cell derived cells would make this treatment a little more personalized for the patients and would cause less risk in the procedure.
So what was the scientific community's reaction to this development?
So, although I'm not sure if there's a large reaction because it's still at early levels, but I actually found that the stem cell derived cells had pretty large differences from the cell types commonly used. So this has really large implications in using these cells in the future and in other clinical applications.
Do you plan on continuing to work in the biotech area?
Yeah, so I'm going to continue my research in high school for another summer, and I'd hope to do more biotechnology research when I go into college.
And when you go into college, what's your goal? What do you want to become?
I would like to get a graduate degree in the biology area. I'm not totally sure what I want to be when I grow up, but I definitely want to pursue science.
I wonder when someone's going to ask me what I want to be when I grow up,
What do you want to be?
I don't know. I think I want to be like you. So let's get into the competition itself. How many students were you up against in Maryland?
In Maryland, I think there were a few thousand entries. Yep,
So
it was an online competition, so I never actually got to meet everyone in person, but there was over 1,000.
And the judges saw fit to award you as champion.
Yeah.
How did you feel when you found out?
I was very excited, especially because I got to come to San Diego, but it's also a very nice recognition, and it's a very well-respected organization, so it's very exciting for me.
Ladies and gentlemen, Rebecca Brody, the BioGenius Challenge Maryland champion. Congratulations.
Thank you for having me.
You're welcome. I'm Shelley Kraft. This is SNNLive, and we're coming to you from the Maryland Pavilion of BioInternational 2017 here in San Diego. Rebecca, again, congratulations.
Thank you.
You're welcome.